Whispers from the Brighter World, Beloved Master, revered Babuji Maharaj, Tuesday, June 1st, 1999, 8 am. I am here. Don't worry. We know that you need some time to surface. This treatment is a bit annoying. We will try to be less somber today. Yes, we also have qualms and they increase by X numbers of times compared to what you can experience on earth. We cannot give any further details. Our way of assessing things being completely different from yours. You should know that we go through very intense states across the wide spectrum of what you call emotions and which for us are of another type. We are in a completely different context which makes you think in some circumstances that we are insensitive to your difficulties. We are often deeply saddened, but we know that this stage is inevitable for you. You must go through this door. It is inescapable. This point is difficult to understand, but we assure you that it bears interest. The coach who sees his players pushing themselves to the limit in a playing field is happy. He can assess their resilience, their strength of character, and their determination. He knows what he can expect of each one of them, yet he is not a torturer. For us, a great and beautiful soul requires all our attention. We do not feel sorry for its tests, whatever they may be. At the human level, we know that a strong soul will emerge from this painful stay on earth, well armed to continue successfully its path, and we look forward to that. Be in acceptance and love. We return it to you, Babuji. Tuesday, June 1st, 1999, 10 am. In the same way as a physically disabled person must lean on two sticks to walk, that is what you have to do. You who are not like that. Your two fulcrums are acceptance and love. An ordinary man cannot see it this way, and he does not accept it. You, our associates, who make efforts to advance, you must not only understand it, but also put this advice into practice. Maybe some days you will rebel, it's human. You have made a choice by entering Sahaj Marg. Do you seriously want to make progress? You know that this way is simple and effective. You understand, in spite of passing weaknesses, that you are on the right track. Acceptance saves you time. In some ways, you shorten the test by acting in this manner. According to you, what difference does it make to rebel? At the end, are you stronger or more depressed? Even personal victory on yourself is constructive. It makes you grow, and it softens your heart and ours. You may fall one day, it is your right, but stand up again, stronger on the following day. The human being has unsuspected resources. He is amazed by that sometimes. He realizes that he is not so bad after all. A day of defeat, forget it. A victory must follow, and then another, and we will have done it. You should, all of you, take heart, be blessed. We have pinned our hopes on you, Babuji.